I guess we'll be doing the step, creating histogram step-by-step example. I remember doing this a long time ago.
Oh, hell, where are we going?
I'm doing the step-by-step example.
Yeah, and what are you supposed to be
creating histograms.
Oh, I never made histograms. You're kind of screwed.
Alright, so medals won by several countries. So I'd say I'll open medals one. Yep. Histogram. Go on to access displays intervals data, get a label and identify type of data included in each interval. By number of, okay. Okay, so number of medals and number of countries. The data for the number of medals are sorted was a small spine data. So there's one. The biggest it's fucked away is 88. 88 plus. Interval. The upper bound minus the lower bound is 100 minus 0 equals 100. Now divide that value by the number of intervals to determine the interval width.
Okay, how do I use this sword then?
Anyways. The bound should be equal to or greater than the maximum value. The maximum is 88, so I set that bound to 100. Alright, so and basically you get play count by whatever number you did.
Hit pause again. Sorry, I know we set it up.
Yeah, this is just clicking simulator in the categories. And you just click no more or none. And there's none in that set. Or no more in that data set. Basically, you gotta do just clicking everything until a certain bit that it's really carefully picked. Just kind of gotta do along here. Yeah. Pretty simple. And that's at the end.